All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to copy and paste this logo on the same at the same location on all the other artboards. So check this out. Click here. We're going to go up here and copy, and it'll stay copied until we copy something else. But you'll notice that this artboard has a black outline, and this one has gray. So do these two. So simply, it's probably easier to see on your computer. But I'm going to click on it now. I've activated this artboard, and we're going to go to paste in place. So same here. It's still copied. It's always going to be copied until you copy something else. So paste in place, and then we activate this artboard, and then paste in place. So that's one way to do it, the simple way. I'm going to show you a faster way, but it's a little trickier. So always see, I have this artboard selected. So let's just make sure, I have to copy this one. So when you do click on it, it should activate that artboard. But always make sure that that artboard is activated. That's where it's going to get the position from. So let's do this again, and we're going to go copy, and then this time I'm going to go paste on all artboards. Now see that? That looks cool, but there's one little thing here. It put it on this artboard too, so now you had two stacked up. So your artwork can get kind of messy if you do stuff like that. So quickly, to avoid that, we're going to use cut. Funny, I don't really use cut that much, but cut is actually does copy it. But now I've got that right. Now click on that artboard and paste on all artboards. We're good. See that? Nice. So just that's the trick to doing that. Select the artboard and then just use paste in place or paste on all artboards. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.